users page layout. So we will click on page layouts. Once we click on page layout, they say to edit page layout. We will click on this edit page layout. Once we have edited this page layout, they will say scroll down to the additional information section. Additional information section, where it is, let's have, this is the additional information section. Drag Marketing Cloud engagement for App Exchange and Marketing Cloud engagement for App Exchange user. So you have to drag and drop these two permissions from here. For example, I have already done all these steps, but I will show you 1-2 steps. So drag and drop all these two permissions. First is Marketing Cloud engagement for App Exchange admin, or you can search it here. So you have to drag and drop this at the additional section. Let me go to additional section. At the additional information, you have to drag and drop this and drag and drop these two for admin and for user to sets, and then like this you will be able to see like this, like we are able to see. These steps you don't have to remember. Then it is saying go to leads page layout. Once you have done this on users, then it is saying to go to leads layout. Go to leads and click on page layout. Once you go to leads and page layout, click on edit. It is saying that drag and drop email sends. They are asking to drag and drop email sends, individual email results. So we will see email sends and individual email results. Email sends, individual email results. I have already performed all these steps in my previous classes. I am just showing you. Then select Visualforce pages, drag lead actions. Select Visualforce pages here, drag lead actions. I have also done lead actions somewhere. So this is the lead action I have already dragged and dropped. Once you perform this, click on yes and then go to context layout. So after this we will go to the same thing, go to context layout. Once we go to context layout, the same thing, go to contact page layout. Okay, edit it inside the contact page layout also. The same thing, email send, individual email result and contact actions you have to drag and drop, which we already have. Like email send we have dropped, individual email results we have dropped. There might be somewhere contact actions as well. Contact actions also we have dropped. Then you have to follow all these steps.